Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Zurich Invest event here at the Le Grand Hotel in Zurich. And with me here now is GoldQuest and Bill Fisher, the CEO, who wants to give us a little update. We were talking already in November, but a lot of good things happened with your company. Bill, welcome.
Yes, they have. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for taking the time. So it's only like 4 months when we saw us the last time, but a lot of good things happened. So maybe you can elaborate a bit on that.
Yeah, everything's moving very fast with the company. We're in the Dominican Republic. We made a big discovery in 2012 called Romero. We put the pre-feasibility study out in November of 2016, and this is the big defining document for the study. And we're in the middle of permitting at the moment. We're trying to permit with the Dominican government, and we're working closely with the regulators there about getting the permits.
Is there a certain time frame in permitting?
I'd like to think we're going to get it quite soon, but it's of course it's the government's time frame. That'll be a mining permit. Then there'll be a year of environment permitting beyond that.
Okay, so
a
it's
year
well defined.
or so. Yeah, it's well defined. There is a process, and our same team has built a mine in the Dominican before, so we're very confident with the process.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
But I like when it's good defined, because then you know what
as
you're
best
doing.
you can.
That's right, absolutely. And you got also a nice injunction of money, I would say. Maybe you want
we did.
to
Last
comment
month,
on that.
Yes, a group called Agnico-Eagle, which is one of the biggest mining companies in the world. I think they're a $17 billion company.
Easily, yeah.
They are very, very professional, and they made a $23 million investment in our company for about 15% of the shares of the company. So now we have $28 million in our pockets.
Very healthy.
Yes, our budget going forward before the production of the mine is probably in the region of $10 to $12 million. So we've already allocated a lot of those funds towards the project, the equity contribution for the mine development.
Fantastic.
So we're well cashed up for our programs going forward. So we're well protected, and with also a big partner like Agnico-Eagle, who are very professional. They have lots of their types of deposits are very similar that they're mining today that we have. So same geological type. So we hopefully get some good technical assistance, feedback, and so it's exciting times.
Great, perfect. If you say you are, like, let's say, well cashed up until let's call it the production, things are really moving, then how much money do you need in addition for the production?
For the production, the actual production is going to be something like $160 million to build this mine. We probably can get something in the region of $120 million of debt in various formats, from trade debt to bank debt, etc. And we've been working very hard on that. So we think we have the debt, pretty much the structure of the financing put together. So there will be an extra equity portion. If we can have, say, 10 or $15 million of the $50 million already in our pockets, it makes the project a lot easier in a year or two's time. We're also discovering stuff along the belt. We have a whole region, it's 50 kilometers long, and for the first time we're drilling the middle 25 kilometers of that. So
can you say already something about it?
Yes, in January this year we made a discovery. As you can see, things are moving fast from the pre-fees to discovery to financing. This discovery, I think, what really got Agnico-Eagle excited. The grade was very high. It was 12% zinc and 14 grams per ton gold over 5 meters, and this was 20 miles away from the initial discovery. So, and that means that rock is equivalent to about $1,000 per ton rock.
That's a lot.
It is, and our costs at Romero was something in the $62 range to mine. So this discovery per ton,
of course. Okay.
Per ton.
Where would you define, let's say, the all-in cost for AISC then?
In Romero, the all-in sustaining costs are about $595, and the cash costs are $360 per ounce. And we're now sitting at around $1,200 something ounce. So the cash costs on that project are very good. But the new discovery, we just have a hole into it. The drills are turning now, going to follow up that project up. We have no idea of the size, but the first discovery hole was 5 times the grade of Romero.
That's fantastic.
So that's a good start, and that's what got people going. And typically, this type of deposit, they come like a string of pearls. So now we've defined, this is another pearl. This is the third one. The Romero project has 2 mineralizations, and this is another one 20 miles away. So the thing is, the belt is starting to unfold. And it was totally unknown in 2012 when we made the discovery. So this is the first time it's ever been looked at seriously and with modern exploration techniques.
Great. And as you're saying, it's like a belt. So I would say if it's 20 miles away, it's very likely that, let's say, in between There might be something more.
Typically they do. Typically they do. So, for instance, the mines that Agnico Eagle have in Quebec, in Canada, are very similar geology, and there's every 2 or 3 kilometers these things repeat. So there's a chance that there could be all the way along, or we'll be happily exploring for some time, and we have the cash, we have the people, we have the supporters. So on the exploration side is great, while we go through the permitting phase in the mine, which of course is not our time frame, it's the government's time frame. We can push them and lobby them and suggest them, but it's still...
No, don't push too hard.
No, just push at the right speed.
Exactly, that's perfect. So if we look at it a little bit from the bird perspective, now the permitting is running. You have to do the project finance, of course, all those little things. What is your, let's say, idea to be in production then? Or to, let's say, to ramp up at least then?
Ramp up to production. I'd say that once we get the environment permit, that could be a year or 2, something like that.
So that's,
that's reasonable.
That's quite close.
Then the construction phase is going to be 24 months. So we're talking about 3 to 4 years before we'd actually be making metal, something like that.
So around 2020,
something like that. Wow, I'd say that would be a good guide. Super. In the meantime, if we can paint the picture of having not just a mine with the mines following up and maybe the district developing, that is a very good place to be.
Absolutely, adding to the value.
Adding to the value.
Yeah, exactly. Super, perfect. Bill, thank you very much for the update. All the best, and we look forward to some good news on the permitting then.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Bill Fischer from GoldQuest Mining, and you heard it. The drills are turning on the one hand. They discovered 20 miles away a beautiful discovery hole with 12% zinc and a lot of gold also associated. What was it, like 14
grams,
half an ounce of gold, half an ounce of gold. I think that's very nice, and they are in a nice belt, so it's very likely that they will find more within those 20 kilometer distance range from the existing mine already, or the mine project, I would call it. And also they got a lot of money injected. Agnico Eagle is a phenomenal, great partner with a lot of technical expertise and also with deep pockets to develop this project in addition. So I think they did everything right. And we look forward to the news flow upcoming now. And I would say check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.